Hey there, welcome back friends. In our last video we have created this very simple form using which we can upload files. For example, if I select this particular file and try to upload it, then definitely the file would be added inside this images folder, right? So this is a cool stuff, and if I show you the business logic, then in here we are storing the file inside the images folder. Everything is working properly. Now friends, our next target is to store some information related to the file into the database as well, and in order to do that we will make use of Hibernate. Now in order to make use of Hibernate, there are a couple of things we need to do. The first thing is downloading the Hibernate jar. So let us quickly open up the web browser and download the Hibernate jar. So I will search for Hibernate, download, and we will Google for Hibernate download, and we would be able to see the search result by hibernate.org. Now this first search result says releases Hibernate ORM. ORM stands for Object Relationship Model, and we definitely need the ORM of Hibernate. Now if we check, we have this button which says latest stable, and if we click on this particular button, then it will open up the download page for Hibernate ORM. Now friends, there are like couple of more things which Hibernate provide, but we definitely need only the ORM. Alright, let me click on this button, and if we scroll down, then there is like multiple things on this page, and one of the thing is direct download. So we also have this Maven artifact or things like that, but we simply want the jar files, the core jar files. So we will click on this download button and we would be redirected to this page, and our download will start automatically. Here we go. And if I show you the downloads page, then it will take couple of seconds based on the internet speed. And in fact, in order to save some time, I have already downloaded this exact file and also extracted this file on my desktop. So let me cancel this. Apart from Hibernate, we also need the connector jar. So in here, I will type in MySQL connector jar, and we will navigate to the first search result. Now the current version for this connector jar is version 8, I suppose. Now friends, whenever we like make use of latest jars or latest software packages, the configuration may differ a little, so take a note of it. And in here we will select first of all the operating system to be platform independent, and let us click on download. Alright, now we will be redirected to this page. We will click on this link, no thanks, just start my download, and our download will start. Now again, this is a small little file, but again I have already downloaded and extracted this file on my desktop. Let me show you. So here are these two files, firstly Hibernate and the connector jar. Alright, so let us talk about the Hibernate folder. First of all, if we check, we have this lib folder, and inside this we have this required folder. Let me open this up, and we have couple of jars. Let me copy all of these jars right away, and let me paste these jars inside the lib folder, which is present inside the webinf folder. Let me show you, there are two files already, and let me add in the Hibernate jars as well. Alright, now the last file which we need is nothing but the connector jar. Again, let me copy this and let me navigate to workspace, and let me paste this jar file inside this lib folder. Here we go. So this looks good to me. Now moving forward, whenever we, for example, connect with the database using Hibernate, there is a configuration file which we need, and let me show you. If I navigate to studyeasy.org/Hibernate, then we have an article by the name of Hibernate configuration XML. Now on this particular article, we have a very basic configuration. Now you can simply copy this particular content from here, and we can simply like create a file and paste the information inside the file. Now definitely the project files will also be available to you, so don't worry, you will have each and every file with you. Alright, now let me right click, navigate to new and create a new XML file. The name of the XML file would be hibernate.cfg.xml. Now friends, this particular name is the generic default name for configuration of Hibernate, so take a note of it. And we need to also select the location where we need to create this file, which is nothing but inside the src folder. That's it. Let me get rid of anything and everything which is there inside this XML file and paste the content which we have copied from the article on our website. Let me show you. So here is the configuration which we have copied and pasted on this file. Now friends, if you would like to know more about Hibernate, we have a course on Hibernate, you can check that. Moreover, you can also check our course on Spring Framework, where we have covered Hibernate and integration of Hibernate with Spring in detail. So again, that will be a very good course to take after this course. Alright. Now friends, moving forward, we will discuss about this configuration in our next video, where I will explain you what all of these stuff are and how these stuff will help us to connect with the database. So something interesting is coming up, and definitely later down the line we will use the configuration and we will use Hibernate to connect with the database. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.